Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel TechnicalManish. So today I will show you how to push the same code into multiple Git repositories, and we can say also use the multiple origins in Git. So let's start with this blog, and let's assume we want to push our same code into multiple cloud-based hosting services like Gitlab, Github and Bitbucket also. Actually, we need to push our code into multiple uh, places. So we will learn how to push the code into GitLab and GitHub, and these are the commands we will use. So guys, let's start with the steps. First step will be the our code into GitLab repository, and I have already explained how to do it in previous blog. So let me quickly open my previous blog. I have already explained this in previous video, so let's do it quickly. And let me open my Ubuntu shell. I'm switching the root user, so I don't want to use sudo again and again. So for the existing directory, I'm creating a dummy directory for this. mkdir is just a command which is used to create a directory in Linux, and go to this directory by using the cd command. So right now I am here in the existing folder which is mentioned here. So I am creating some files, and touch is just another command in Linux which is used to create files. Let me create one more file. So here is 3 files for this existing directory. Let's assume we have code in this particular file. So next step will be the initialize the Git. So let me run this particular command. So this command will create a .git directory, which is the actually hidden directory. This is part of the directory. So I am trying to show you this directory. This is directory. Now create a repository in Gitlab. So here is the steps. Let me open my Gitlab. So I'm trying to see the exact name of the repository which I have used. Let me sign in first. So just click on the new project for the new repository in the Gitlab. Click on blank project. Here just write the name of the repository. So here I have mentioned that don't click on the initialize repository with readme, because we don't need to create any file because we have to push the existing repository. So just create a project here. So we have created this. Now we need to add this Git repository address. So here is the syntax of the command. So let me copy this command and paste it. Sorry, it is not copied actually. So it is added successfully. We will use this origin instead of this big URL. So now we need to add the whole files we have created in this particular folder. So for this, run this git add dot command, and this command will add all the files which we have created. Let me copy it and paste it. It is done successfully. Now we have to commit this particular changes. I have mentioned here first commit as a commit message. So 3 files changed. It is added successfully as a commit. We can check this by status also. Nothing to commit, it means all added is committed successfully. Nothing is pending. So finally we need to run the git boost command, and it is the syntax of this command. And let me copy this particular command and paste it here. Need to copy again and paste it. Let me put my username of the GitLab. Need to put my password also. So it is pushed successfully on the master branch of the GitLab. So here master is just a by default branch name. I will prepare a video for Git branch separately. For now, let me refresh this page. So here this file we have created in this particular directory, well as this is the 3 files we have pushed into this particular GitLab repository. Now get back to our main blog. So now we need to create a repository on GitHub. If you don't have any account on GitHub, so you can follow this step, but I have already GitHub account, so let me log in into GitHub. Just follow the steps which I have mentioned for the sign up on GitHub. So this is my GitHub console. This is my username TechnicalManish 1174. So just create a new GitHub repository on this. And just click on this create repository. I am creating here private repository. You can choose public also, but let's click on private. Here is the same scenario. We don't need to create any files, so I'm not creating any other files. Let me put here my repository name. So let me give it multiple origin. Just click on create repository. It is creating, so it is created. So here is the 2 URLs. One is HTTPS and second is SSH URL. We will use HTTPS URL. Now we will add another remote URL. We will create another origin for the same directory by using this command. Like we are just giving another origin name. Let me copy this particular HTTPS URL of this GitHub repository. Okay, let me direct copy this command. So right now I am adding the another remote URL, like which is mentioned by GitHub origin. Like GitHub origin is mentioning this GitHub repository, and origin is mentioning the GitLab repository. Let me Let me show you the list of this particular origin. See guys, this will show the all origins list, remote origin list. We have added GitHub origin is mentioning this GitHub and URL, and origin is mentioning this Gitlab repository URL. So we have added two origins in single repository, in the single, we can say, directory, not repository. So now we need to go to this particular branch of the GitHub. So this is the command to switch the branch, and the main is just by default branch name of the GitHub. It is the same as master in Gitlab. So let me quickly copy this particular command and need to copy again. So let me run this. So right now we have switched the branch name. Now need to push the same code into GitHub repository also. Just give the origin name and the branch name and copy this particular command and let me run this. Now this time it is asking of the username of the GitHub account, not Gitlab. So let me show you the username. This TechnicalManish 1174. Now need to put my password of GitHub. Sorry, let me do it again. My password was not correct. Yeah, username is correct. TechnicalManish 1174. Again need to put my password. So it is pushing the same code into GitHub also. See, it is done. So let me refresh this page on the GitHub dashboard. See that 3 files are here also. So what we have done today, we have pushed these 3 files in 2 places. In one is GitHub and second is Gitlab. So go through my website, my blogs, and do this practically. And bye bye guys, see you soon, and thanks for reading and watching. Like the video, and if you have any query, just put your query in the comment section.